dead hair.
Don't cut too much. I need these pieces.
5 pieces.
No. Well, how do you know it's dead? It could just be sleeping.
Oh, that is dead. Well, she ain't gonna wake up on our shit. That bitch is
dead. Woo! I'm back. Finally. I'm finally back. No, for real this time. A girl had to deal with life a little bit. I have so many things going on right now. My life is just, ooh, I'm so excited. It's just a blessing. Like, everything is just a blessing. It's too much to just talk about in just one video. So I'm gonna give you pieces and pieces, you know, in each video, you know, the ones coming up, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what's going on. But there's a lot. From the hair growth oil to me moving. It might be in Atlanta, it might be in a different state, might be both. What else do I got going on? Let me see. Oh, to me traveling. Like, I just been to a couple countries, and I'm just, it's like a whole different mentality that I have right now. Definitely different mental. But let's just focus on this video right quick. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how my stylist slayed my birthday hair. Okay, so the hair that I'm using, hair of choice, is Nice. That is one of my favorite companies to go to when it comes to straight bundles, because there's minimal shedding, it washes good, it takes color well, and it takes heat well. So what better company to use than Nice when it comes to long ponytails? Now, they sent me, I think, 18 inches, but you could do this with like 8-inch bundles, 10-inch bundles. You could turn a 6-inch bundle to a 36 ponytail and get your Nicki Minaj on. So right now my boo is blow drying my hair, and we are ready to get this crackin'. You gotta come this weekend because everybody's gonna be there. So I saw a bunch of flyers of all these celebrities that's gonna be down there. So if I miss Saturday, I don't even want to think like that.
You're not gonna miss Saturday.
Yeah, I'm not. They're gonna fly out. They're gonna stop.
You're gonna drive, or you'll just drive.
Hell no.
Car drive.
Hell no.
Drive to Miami. Remember we drove to Miami?
Like, what, 9 hours? I cannot.
Like 12, didn't it?
I cannot.
It felt like, yeah, you know I don't.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I want it super long. Like, longer than that.
About here?
Yep. Right.
Okay. Where'd you want it at? Bundle trap Selena.
Oh my god, look at this. It is so long. I kind of like probably like right here.
Girl, don't you cut that.
Already cut it down. Just right with it.
It's a dope length, like it's perfect.
Oh my god.
That is dope as fuck.
Right?
Right? Sit down, girl.
He pulled me by the butt. I said you ass.
Bring it back to you.
Secure though, right? Like I can move and it's not gonna like fly. Drum rolls, please. And this is the final look. Thank you so much, you nice, for sending me these bundles. I'm so happy that I was able to use it for my birthday hair. This is my go-to hair when it comes to straight texture because the quality is there. It does not shed, it takes color well, and it takes heat well. Hit that arrow on that description box because I left all the information to you nice there. I definitely gonna be revamping this channel a little bit. I definitely wanna do more vlogs because it's way more interesting than, well, for me at least, than doing tutorials all day long. So I definitely want you guys to support that as well. I'll see you in my next video. And I promise it won't be a month from now. I promise. We back on it. We back on it. Oh, almost forgot. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also make sure to click that bell. Click that bell because that will notify you every time I upload a video.
Happy birthday.
Damn.
Happy birthday.
Please recognize I'm trying.